Which is the best moisturizer for oily, dry, combination and normal skin? How do we choose the best moisturizer? Why do we even need to moisturize our face? And do we need to use a moisturizer every day? All these questions I am going to be answering in this video, and all these times I have mentioned in the description box below. Hi, I am Dr. Nirupama from Zoli Skin Clinic, Delhi, and I make videos about skin and hair care on this channel. You can subscribe to my channel and you can press the bell icon to get the notification every time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. We actually need a moisturizer. What does a moisturizer do?
Our skin functions as a barrier. So our skin is made up of multiple cells, and the upper part of the skin is known as epidermis and the lower part of the skin is known as dermis. So the water from the deep epidermal layers go up to the stratum corneal or upper layer of the epidermis, and there are lipids that also help in formation of this barrier. So this barrier helps protect us from bacteria, from irritants, from free radical damage, and also allergy causing allergens. This is a healthy skin barrier. However, if this barrier is damaged or destroyed or disrupted, any irritant can enter inside the skin. So moisturizer is essential to maintain this skin barrier and help prevent any kind of environmental damage to the skin.
So moisturizer tends to maintain and improve the skin barrier integrity, which in turn protects us from dryness, mechanical stress, chemical irritation, infection. It tends to maintain the skin barrier integrity. It tends to make the skin much more soft and smooth. It forms a soothing protective film over the skin, as well as it tends to decrease the fine lines on the face. So, a moisturizer has so many functions, and it is so important for the barrier that we need to apply a moisturizer very regularly on an everyday basis. So, which moisturizer is best for the skin? So, what are the ingredients that we need to see that a moisturizer has to label it as a good moisturizer for us?
How do we choose the best moisturizer? Well, a good moisturizer is one which contains occlusive agents which tends to form a protective film over the skin and tends to decrease the moisture loss, such as petrolactam is a great occlusive agent. Humectants tend to draw water from the air as well as deeper layer of the skin and act as water magnets. Hyaluronic acid and glycerine are great humectants, and emollients tend to fill the cracks in the skin and tend to soothe and soften the skin. It is these three ingredients which tend to form a good moisturizer.
So, a good moisturizer is one which contains an occlusive agent, humectant, emollients in varied concentration, and all these are so important for our skin in order to hydrate it, in order to moisturize it. Now, let us discuss further what are the best moisturizers for the different skin types. How do we choose the best moisturizer for oily skin? Well, a good moisturizer for oily skin should be water based, should be oil free and non-comedogenic, that is, it should not clog the pores. So, we should rather buy gel based moisturizers or light liquid lotion based moisturizers for an oily skin, and avoid using moisturizers which are very thick creams. Also, humectants like glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil are very good ingredients in moisturizers for oily skin. The moisturizers that I recommend for oily skin are Exceller moisturizer. It contains glycerine and niacinamide, and it is pretty good for an oily skin. Also, Acmist moisturizing cream gel is also very good. It tends to contain squalene, aloe vera and vitamin E, and it's also very lightweight. A good moisturizer for combination skin would be one which tends to moisturize the dry areas of the face, and it tends to control the shine over the oily areas of the face. Some of my favorite moisturizer for combination skin, one of them is Neutrogena oil free moisturizer for combination skin. So, basically it contains glycerine and tocopherol, and also Episoft AC is a great moisturizer, though it is also recommended for oily and acne prone skin, but I usually recommend it to a lot of patients because it also has an SPF 30, and it contains glycerine as well as soothing agents like D-panthenol. Now let's talk about moisturizers for dry skin. So when we talk about dry skin, it's usually a little rough and scaly. So we need a lot of occlusive agents and emollients. Occlusive agent would kind of prevent loss of moisture or water from the skin surface. Emollients would kind of smoothen out the skin, smoothen out the roughness of the skin. Some of the moisturizers that I usually recommend for dry skin are Parasoft cream for dry skin. It contains white soft paraffin and light liquid paraffin. So paraffin is a great emollient which tends to make the skin much more smooth. Also Etoderm intensive balm is very good for dry skin. It contains glycerine, it contains ceramides which are very good, as well as mineral oil. For a normal skin or for most skin types, I usually recommend Clinique Moisture Surge. It is one of my favorites. So basically it is oil free and it is a gel cream moisturizer. It contains aloe filaments as well as hyaluronic acid. It tends to hydrate our skin very well, as well as Face Moist SPF 15 is a great moisturizer that one could use. It contains sodium hyaluronate, allantoin and aloe vera. Mentioned in detail about all these moisturizers in the description box below, as well as I have given out the links with these moisturizers in the description box. So if you live outside India, I have also recommended certain moisturizers that you could buy if you are living outside India, and I have mentioned them in the description box below. So I hope you liked this video and you found it informative. If you did, please send us a thumbs up sign in the comment box below, and also let us know what topics you would want us to cover next, and thank you for watching.